Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Gary in Ohio on this RCI-2995dxHP. Gary, got ready to go for you, bud. You wanted the blue LEDs in there, so there they are. Alright, basic tuning alignment on it. 150 watts or 250 watt slug, and we are operating with our power all the way down. Yep, there it is, 5 watts. Gary, now that's just in case you decide to run like an 8 or 10 peel or something. It'll turn down low enough. If you'll run just the radio, that's our power all the way up at 50. It'll run flawless right there. Show you average power swing. Hello, 125 bird, 500 watt slug in peak. Hello, 125, maybe 130. All right, Gary, good talking to you, my longtime friend. I hope you enjoy this radio. From your friend Truck, right down here at truckscbsales.com. Bump, bump.
Get wise and get truckerized today.